Okay, next up, Disarming Presence for Phalanx. For this, we need to drop 3 ISO Hemlock weapons in a dead drop, kill 10 enemies with an ISO Hemlock, and finally extract in the same deployment. All 3 of these need to be ticked off in the same deployment, so you'll be dropping into Vondel, picking up a ISO Hemlock, dropping it in a dead drop, then going back for another, twice, and of course getting kills on the way, finally 1 more to extract with. Just keep in mind you can bring 1 in with you, and you can't have more than 1 of the same guns in your inventory, otherwise they'll just be used for extra ammo even if you hold the button to put it directly into your backpack. So keep that in mind, pick up, drop, pick up, drop, pick up, drop, and if you bring 1 in, there's only 2 that you need to find and drop off, plus the 1 you'll extract with. Okay, so you can head to your active duty and customize your loadout here by changing your weapon to be, under assault rifles, an ISO Hemlock here. You can customize it however you want, though just keep in mind you'll be throwing it in the bin sometime soon, or of course dropping it and picking up an ISO Hemlock when you find one, which is not the best, but it is something you can do. So I'll be equipping it here, just stock standard, and we'll be going to bin it as soon as we land. Cool. So let's go for Vondel and start. Basically, all of the bots will drop this item for you, though likely the higher tier bots are going to drop them for you more often, such as near that marketplace, inside of strongholds, etc. It's really just random, but it is well known to spawn tons in this map. I don't know if it spawns elsewhere, but anyways, you can do this on any map, technically. Should you have 3 friends, they can all bring in the ISO Hemlock, but you still need to find 1 to extract with, so it's not the best. As you need to drop 3 of them in a dead drop in the same deployment as everything else, you need 4 in total. Okay, so 3 ISO Hemlock weapons into a dead drop. It can be any dead drop, though of course Vondel is the easiest. There are many dead drops, so just keep in mind where they are while you travel around the map, getting AI and looking to see if they have the right weapons. Alright, so no ISO Hemlocks just yet, so let's go ahead and bin the one that we currently have. So I'll hop over to the dead drop in the zoo here for the first one. Though of course it can be any dead drop. We'll place the item here, and now we just need to run off and find another 2, and of course 1 more to extract with. Right, so we'll make our way up towards the market, for example. That should maybe help us find some more of these, as most of these AI in the zoo are locked away in the aquarium. Yes, I'm pretty sure it'll be these higher level AI rather than these low level ones. Oh no, never mind, there's an ISO Hemlock. Right, let's get some kills with this. On our way to a dead drop, let's head over to the university dead drop and place this away so we can grab another one. It's just behind here. So there is 5 out of 10 kills, 6, and of course there's a player trying to snipe me. So instead we'll go to a different dead drop. We'll go to the one by the museum, I think. Yeah, somewhere down here. Alright, there we go. 10 AI kills with the Hemlock. Now we can go ahead and stash this, stash another one, and finally get our way out of here. Okay, so let's find this dead drop. So, 1 Hemlock. Now we need to go fetch another one and extract with another one after that even. So we'll head back to the market. Unfortunately, none lying around. Still nothing just yet. Finally, another Hemlock. Now we need to get back to the dead drop. Okay, so here's the last one being dead dropped. Plonk. And now all we need to do is find another one and extract with it. There we go. Yeah, so they seem to drop from these middle level guards, not the higher level guards. There's nothing around here for now, as all of the higher level guards have found their way here. That's not good. We need to find one somewhat soon, as time is really running out. ISO Hemlock, finally. I didn't think I was going to get a second one of these. Right, so we'll equip it instead of just leaving it in our backpack. And now let's get our way out of here, hopefully in time. And there we go. We'll now exfil with this gun. As long as it's in our inventory, then hey, we'll be done with this mission. So anyways, that's about it for that quite annoying mission. My name has been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.